Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today we'll discuss on what is a Roth IRA account. So what is this IRA account? We know, right? Individual retirement account. So what is this Roth IRA then? So Roth IRA is kind of a retirement account again. We can also call it as kind of hybrid account. Why? Because it can serve as a multi-purpose account. So why I will tell you. So this Roth IRA means it is a after tax income retirement account. So we usually pay taxes, right? So whatever the net income we are having after paying the tax, that amount can be used for the Roth IRA account investment. So that is why it is called as Roth IRA. So this Roth IRA was found at 1997. It was named after William Roth, who was a former Delaware senator. So who and all can invest in this? Rich people or who are having high income, high net worth, right? They are not at all eligible to use this Roth IRA account. So for now, in this 2021, there are certain limits of income. So based upon which the candidates will be eligible to maintain a Roth IRA account, open and maintain the Roth IRA account for their savings. So what are that limits? So if the person is going to be single, the limit of income should be like $140000, so which is $140K, we can say in simple words. So for married couples, so the couples together, if they are earning, so what is the limit of income? $208,000, so which is $208K. So basically, if a person's income on a calendar year is not exceeding these limits, in case of singles $140K, and in case of married couples together, they are not earning more than $208K. Those people are eligible to open and maintain a Roth IRA account. So this Roth IRA, why it is like so special? As I told before, it is being used or maintained with the amount which is coming after the tax being deducted in your income. So what that internally means, say you, for example, you are earning 5 lakhs per year. I'm just taking example in INR now. So let us assume there is 5 lakhs income. So after tax deduction, say the earning is like 4 lakhs, and in that you are going to invest in this, means already the tax is being deducted. So once you use that amount as for investment using this Roth IRA account, whatever the invested amount as well as whatever is going to come in the form of investment money, the profit or gains, whatever you get it from that, everything will be tax free. Say here, this is basically for US people. So if they are going to earn $140K as a single, or as a couples they are earning $208K per year, so they can open a Roth IRA account and they can invest in various financial instruments available. So starting from the stocks, debts, bonds, there are so many securities and financial instruments available for them to invest. So if they are going to invest that money which is already tax deducted, the invested amount, say they are investing a certain amount, that amount is also tax free, and whatever the amount they are going to get through that kind of investment using this Roth IRA, it will also grow tax free. So, and one more thing is, this invested amount is there, right? Say I am a person A and I am going to invest $30,000 into my Roth IRA account. So that will be kind of my capital amount for that account. So that amount can be withdrawn at any time. Say it need not wait till the maximum age limit to withdraw. We can withdraw at any point of time without tax and penalties. So that is one beauty of this Roth IRA account. And we know that often these traditional IRAs and all, there is a required minimum distributions need to be withdrawn at the age of 72. So why those traditional IRAs are we know they are pre-taxed. So obviously the tax comes up with as the money grows in the traditional IRA account. So to avoid many tax related stuffs in the future, those retirement accounts are always asked to withdraw certain amount of money once a person crosses the age of 72. So that amount is called as required minimum distribution. If you take this case of Roth IRA, this RMD is not at all required. Lifetime you are allowed to keep the whole money or whatever you have invested or whatever the money has grown, the wealth has grown within your Roth IRA. So this is one thing. And the next thing is, it's not only going to support only through the regular contributions. Say the person is just going to send in a check or cash and fund that Roth IRA account. It also formulated in such a way to accept spousal IRA contribution, transfers, rollover contributions, conversions, etc. So totally around 5 ways it is allowing the person to fund that Roth IRA account. So will a person say, we already told for singles it is $140K limit and for married couples it's $208K limit. So will a person be allowed to contribute more amount per year? No, that is not the case. The maximum contribution a person can make per calendar year would be based upon the age factor. If they are going to be below 50 years, they are allowed to contribute $6,000 per year. And if they are of age 50 or above, they are allowed to contribute $7,000 per year. So year by year the people can invest, and how that gets into the Roth IRA and how the investment grows and gets a profit, that is the major part of this, or major the magic we can say in this Roth IRA. So far we've been telling okay, we are opening the account, we are going to invest it, and some amount of money is allowed, who are eligible. So when we can withdraw? So withdrawal of this amount, it's to be maintained at 59.5 years of a person. Say X person is going to create a Roth IRA, open a Roth IRA account and going to invest in some stocks or securities. So he or she is allowed to withdraw the amount which he or she has made through the investment, not the original amount invested. Here we need to understand, because the original amount, which is a capital amount they have invested, that they can withdraw at any point of time without any tax or penalties. But whatever they have gained through that investing that money through other investments, that additional amount of money which they have acquired by maintaining this Roth IRA investments, that amount they can be able to withdraw at the age of 59.5 years, and it will be of tax and penalty free. Okay, so if there is no need at all for me to withdraw the money, then what will happen? Because we told there are no RMD, required minimum distributions to be made, and say I am also having so much of money with me, so there is no need for me to go and touch my Roth IRA savings. So what will happen to that account? because lifetime I'm not at all going to touch. So that amount keeps on compounding, and it stays in our Roth IRA savings account. Day by day the value of the money grows, and the investment are repeatedly made, and the gains are again they're credited into the Roth IRA savings account, and it keeps increasing day by day. The money value, the wealth value gets increased. So say X person has invested, and he has not at all withdrawn any amount of money. So once they pass away, the account, the Roth IRA account, how much ever it is having, it might be million or trillion or whatever be the amount, the whole amount is tax free. They will be passed on to the highest, the legal highest. We make it right on anything unfortunately, or by mistake or accidentally we pass away. So we know right who will be our highest after us. So to that legal highest, this money will also reach them. The wealth accumulated into the Roth IRA of that person who has passed away will be straight away given to the highest, and that too, it will also be tax free. So tax changes also does not affect. That is the final the wonderful beauty of this Roth IRA. We know right, the tax can be changed. The tax percentage might go low, or the tax percentage might go high. Anything might happen. So there is this risk of tax factors affecting as we grow money in our account. But this being after tax account, it is free of tax. So whatever the money is getting accumulated, or the wealth is getting accumulated into a Roth IRA, it is of tax free. So no tax changes made at any point is going to affect our Roth IRA money or savings. Whatever is going in, that is purely the person's money, it just remains the same. So this is what why Roth IRA are considered as best while we want to go for any retirement options. Because you just think of this situation. Say I told right, we will be able to withdraw the capital amount actually funded into that account. Say for example, I have opened a Roth IRA and I have funded with $30K and $30K. So I have just made some investments, and for that year I have got some $20K as a return. So totally my Roth IRA will be now having that $50K. So this $50K I won't be able to withdraw immediately, but the $30K, whatever we have funded the account with our after tax income, that we are able to withdraw at any point of time. So which will easily allow us to withdraw. Say we want to buy a new home, or we want to have some funds for our children education, some emergency, right? We can just use it as a kind of savings account and withdraw our own money, but not the returns that came as part of that Roth IRA investment. So sometimes if you take other few accounts, or fixed deposits or something, your money just goes and gets locked in for a certain period of time. But here it's not the case. All your money, whatever you have funded, just make it clear, the money you have funded into the Roth IRA account is your money at any point of time. You can just use it like a savings account, withdraw the money, use it for your children's education, or any medical treatment or anything else. So that is why at the start itself we told Roth IRA is going to be a kind of magical hybrid account. So it just does wonders, right? Saving so many tax amount and serving multiple purpose. So hope you guys all got some good idea of how is Roth IRA designed and how it works actually. So if you are also willing to open any retirement accounts for your future, do consider this Roth IRA as well. Thanks for watching guys. If you find this video interesting, please do like, share and subscribe, and also please click the bell icon near the subscribe button for more updates. Please do follow up our channel. Until then it's your VK signing off. Bye bye.